Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two dash cams from ARIFAYZ, the Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera, and the front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. Get ready for some epic showdown. Alright, let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. Both of these cameras offer impressive resolutions, but there's a clear winner here. The front and rear 2K+1080P dash cam takes the crown with its 2K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera. It captures every detail, ensuring you never miss a thing. Next up, let's talk about connectivity. Both of these dash cams come with built-in Wi-Fi and app control, allowing you to easily manage your footage on your smartphone. You can download videos, change settings, and even share your epic road trip moments with friends. However, there's a slight difference here. The Wi-Fi FHD 1080 car camera comes with a dedicated app for Android and iOS smartphones, providing a seamless experience. On the other hand, the front and rear 2K+1080P dash cam offers app control, but doesn't mention a dedicated app. So if you're looking for that extra convenience product, A might be the better choice for you. Now let's talk about design and installation. Both of these dash cams have a compact design, ensuring they don't obstruct your vision while driving. They're easy to install, even for first-time users. The Wi-Fi FHD 1080 car camera takes the lead here with its slim and compact design. It's so tiny that it won't take up much space in your car. Plus, the excellent instructions included make the installation a breeze. Let's move on to an essential feature, parking mode. Both of these dash cams offer 24-hour parking mode, providing around-the-clock protection for your vehicle. The Wi-Fi HD 1080p car camera requires a mini USB hardwire kit for this function. It automatically switches to parking mode when your car is parked, and its collision detection feature ensures you're always protected from any hit or attempted theft. Now let's quickly talk about some additional features that make these dash cams stand out. The Wi-Fi FHD 1080 car camera offers seamless loop recording and a G-sensor. When the storage limit is reached, it automatically overwrites the oldest recordings. The G-sensor detects sudden shakes or collisions, locking the footage to prevent overwriting. Reviewers say that the Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera is good at capturing license plates and road signs, and it has good video and sound quality. On the other hand, the front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi is praised for its great video quality, user-friendly app, and excellent customer support. And that's a wrap on our comparison between the ARIFAYZ Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera and the front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. Both of these dash cams have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals on these products. And as always, stay tuned to Buy Smart for more product comparisons and helpful buying guides. See you next time!